The Faculty of Science and Technology, Sonsunanta Ratchapat University. Philosophy, intellectual and moral appreciation, developing the nation with science and technology. Vision, aim at improving education, science research, integrating knowledge, and produce graduates of quality and integrity in order to develop the society and nation. Uniqueness, royal court concentration, knowledge cultivation, ethical enhancement, and international learning organization. Identity, professional practice, academic excellence, talent communication, strategic thinking, and public consciousness. In 1937, Sonsunanta School College was established and later was changed to Sonsunanta Teacher College. In 1995, it was elevated to be Sonsunanta Ratchapat Institute. From 15 June 2004, all Ratchapat Institutes nationwide were upgraded by His Majesty the King Rama IX, who signed the Ratchapat University Act of 2004. Therefore, the institution was promulgated to be Sonsunanta Ratchapat University to act as institution for local development. Talking about the Faculty of Science and Technology, it was started in 1948 as the Division of Science. At that time, science was only being taught in primary and secondary education. After the establishment of education teacher training, science was divided into chemistry, biology, physics, and general science. As a Sonsunanta Teacher College, the Division of Science was converted to Faculty of Science. The Center for the Promotion of Teaching Science and Technology was founded in order to train science teachers and offered a bachelor's degree in education. In 1984, it was changed to be the Faculty of Science and Technology, teaching three majors: education, science, and arts. In year 2002, the only major left was science only. At present, the Faculty of Science and Technology is comprised of Dean Office, Science Center, and divided into two departments, Department of Science and Department of Applied Science. It offers bachelor degrees in 13 programs. It aims to produce the graduates to be the leader of science and technology, to equip them with knowledge along with moral, and to develop the grasp, research, and creativity for local sustainable development. At present, the progressing of science and technology is fast-moving. Knowledgeable personnel with high ability is in need. With the faculty's vision and its prominent character, we proudly present the 13 programs. First, let me start with the Department of Science. It is divided into 6 programs as follows. Chemistry, one of the 6 programs. It aims to provide both practical experience and theories as the basis of medical, pharmaceutical, agricultural, and industrial productions. They could be applied to scientific research and technology, as well as to run business relevant to the field with moral and social responsibility. The graduates could serve as researchers both in private and government institutions and further their studies in higher levels. Biology. It aims to study morphology, physiology, taxonomy, biodiversity, and ecology of plants, animals, and fungi. The program focuses both on theory and practices that can be applied to daily life. The graduates can work in fields relevant to biology. Industrial microbiology is a branch of microbes and industrial applications. It enables graduates to apply knowledge in microbiology with current necessities. The graduates can work in various areas such as institutions of science research, food industry, pharmaceutical, and cosmetics industry. Applied physics studies fields of renewable energy, energy technology, power management, and electronics. It provides graduates with the theoretical and practical skills. The graduates can apply the knowledge to work in science and engineering. They can be scientists, researchers, and academic staff, and capable to develop the economy and society. Informatics Mathematics focus on educate students in both theories and practice in the field of the science and mathematics. Apply mathematics and information technologies. They can create events beneficial to society, effectively communicate and collaborate with people in other disciplines. The graduates can work as programmers, administrators, system analysts, program analysts, and educators. Applied Statistics, whose curriculum is developed to comply with social needs and national context. Applied Statistics focuses on the application of information useful for management aspects. The program infuses moral and philosophy of sufficiency economy. It includes 3 branches: quality management, management of information technology, finance, and statistics. The graduates can work in private and government industry of quality management, management information, financial analysis, and research as well. Now, let's continue to the next department, the Applied Science. It is divided into 7 programs as follows. Environmental Science, divided into 2 branches, Natural Resource Management and Environmental Pollution. It is a study of environmental pollutions. The program educates students in both laboratory and field conditions. The graduates can work in both public and private industrial enterprises, as well as independent organizations. Biotechnology develops grads to be expert in both theories and practices of modern technology and innovative technologies. Besides, the knowledge includes living organisms such as microorganisms, plants, and animals. It is beneficial to the science wide range of industrial, agricultural, environmental, and medical. Off-site training and field trips are provided for students, together with the development of research skills. They can work in fields relevant to biotechnology. Food Science and Technology is a study field on the processing of agricultural products to food product. It also studies the analysis of physical, chemical, and microbiological aspects of food, as well as quality control and assurance, laws and standards, research and development, technology of food products. Graduates can work in food industry with production planning, production control, food analysis, quality control and assurance, research and product development, sanitation, food safety. Food industry and services. The program focuses on providing the knowledge and its applications. Students learn the technology and develop skills required in food industry and service fields. Graduates can work in the government sector and private enterprises such as hotels, restaurants, and related business, as well as researcher for food development, also food designer and decorator. Nowadays, Thai food is internationally well known. It raised the demand of home economics grads. Therefore, home economics program focuses on food and nutrition and the cultural heritage skills of carving vegetables and fruits, banana leaf art, and floral arrangements. This is part of maintaining Thai cultural heritage. Graduates can work in the government and private sector as dietitians, nutritionists, restaurant managers, and nutrition businessmen. Computer Science Program. This program educates the students to comprehend the software, especially in the pursuit of new knowledge and creative qualities. The graduates can work in the government and private sector as system analysts, designers, website developers, programmers, as well as work in academic area. Information Technology Program. It focuses on the application of information technology, computer hardware and software, as well as in network technology for better society. Graduates can work as programmer, system analysts, and designers.
ทางคณะได้เปิดโอกาสให้นักศึกษาแสดงศักยภาพทางด้านวิชาการและทางด้านกิจกรรมโดยมีผู้บริหารและบุคลากรให้การสนับสนุนอย่างเต็มที่ค่ะ
การเรียนการสอนในคณะนะครับก็จะเน้นผู้เรียนเป็นสำคัญนะครับได้ความรู้ทางด้านวิชาการการใช้ชีวิตจากอาจารย์ที่มีประสบการณ์จากมหาวิทยาลัยชื่อดังหลากหลายที่นะครับซึ่งอาจารย์นะครับก็จะมีความสามารถหลากหลายด้านเช่นกัน
In addition, the Faculty of Science and Technology provides Science Center, which has laboratories and science equipment. In the laboratories, lab assistants are ready to serve and assist faculty members and people. Besides, the Faculty of Science creates many projects, such as Green Building Project, started in 2014, and awarded G Medal by the Department of Environmental Quality Promotion. There is publication of faculty journal. The faculty also provides community services at international standard so as to gain reputation. The faculty, complying to university policy, supports Sonsunanta Ratchapat University to be the highest rank of all Ratchapats.